Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope all of you are fine and doing well. So the topic here that we are going to discuss today, it is the applications of noble gases. So the word applications is simply means that what are the main uses of that substance or that compound. So here we are going to discuss about the noble gases. So basically the noble gases, these are the group 8A elements in the periodic table as they are called as noble gases because they have their valence shell complete, or we can say that they have their complete octet. They do not require to lose or gain the electrons, so that's why they are called as chemically inert substances, and in turn they are called as noble gases. Now, what are their main use? They can be used at commercial level as well as they can be used at domestic level. Now, where we can use these noble gases, let's have a look on its simple uses. So the number one is helium. Its symbol is He. That helium gas is used in the weather balloons. Now, the weather balloons, these are the simple balloons that are called as the weather balloons. They are too much big in size, and when we want to just fly them over there, here they are filled up, or here we use the helium gas in the cylinders that is used to help it in the fly. So this is the main use of the helium gas that we have. The second use of the helium gas, it is used in the welding as well as in the traffic signals. So what does mean by the welding? For example, if we have the iron rods or the iron cylinders and we want to attach them, here we use the word welding, and for the welding purposes we use the gas is called helium gas. On the other hand, here the traffic signals that shows these colors, they are also filled up with the gas, and that gas is basically the helium gas in nature. Then the third one use of the helium gas, which is denoted as He, it is used in the nuclear reactors. Now, what is the main purpose of that helium gas in the nuclear reactors? It basically works as a cooling gas for the nuclear reactors. So it is just used as a cooling medium for the nuclear reactors. Now, these nuclear reactors have the different elements, and a lot of chemical reactions are taking place in these nuclear reactors. The nuclear reactors are basically reactors in which the nuclei of the different elements do react, and in turn they produces the electricity or any source of energy. So when due to these all reactions they are just going to be heat up. Now we need to cool them. For this purpose we use the helium gas as a cooling medium for these nuclear reactors. As over there you can see that a lot of smoke is going out from this because the chemical reactions that are taking place in these nuclear reactors that are having high producing high energy, and they are also producing the electricity. Then we have the uses of neon, which is the second gas, because if we just write the gases in the detail, the first one is helium, and after the helium we have neon, which is a noble gas. Now neon gas, it is used in the neon signs. Now what does mean by the neon signs? Basically these are called as the advertising signs. These advertising signs that have some type of writing, like here it is written as do it, so that do it just light up. Now how do it just light up? Because here the space in it is filled up with the gas which is neon gas, and when the electric discharge is just applied to that gas, it started to glow. So that's why the neon gas, it is used in the neon signs as an advertising sign. And then the neon gas, it is also used in making glass lasers. Now, what does mean by glass lasers? Glass lasers are the high energy lasers beam that are used to cut the glass. So that's why here these laser beams contain the neon gas that are used to cut the glass to our requirements. Then we have the uses of the argon, after helium, neon, and then the third one gas we have the argon. Here the argon is used in the electrical appliances like it is used in the bulb. Here if I just show you the simple bulb structure, the first one layer it is the glass bulb. Then here we just filled which is called as the glass filling. In this the gas is filled which is basically argon, and then we have its central filament which is called as the tungsten filament as the element W. Then we have here the sporting wires. Then we have this lead wires in which one is electrode providing potential. Then we have their dumped wires in this filament. Then we have its stem part, and here this is the cap which is being inserted in the electrical storage device, or we can say that the electric source. So when we just put up it in the electric source, it provides the energy, and there is a glow production because it is filled up with the argon gas. On the other hand, here that argon gas it is also used in the fluorescent tubes. These tubes are called as fluorescent tubes, as well as it is also used in the radio tubes. So this is the use of the argon that we have. Then we have the use of xenon, because first one is helium, then neon, argon, then we have here krypton, then we have xenon. So here the xenon it is used in bactericidal lamp. Now what does mean bactericidal lamp? These are the basically specific type of lamps that are used in the commercial areas. Like these lamps are filled with the xenon gas. Now this xenon gas is used as sterilization. This is used in the disinfection, and it is also used to remove the mites. All the mites that come in contact with this, they may be killed. For example, it is also used to remove the mosquitoes as well as different types of the flies that are called as house flies from the surface. And then we have the use of the radon, which one is the last one, noble gas. It is used in the radiotherapy and the cancer prediction. So the radiotherapy for the cancer, and it is also used for the prediction of the earthquake. So radiotherapy of the cancer means these are the specific type of the rays that are used to kill the cancerous cells, and in turn the patient may get well with the passage of the time. On the other hand, it is also used in the earthquake prediction. The last one gas, which is the krypton noble gas. The krypton noble gas, it is also used in the flash lamps, as well as it is also used in the fluorescent tubes, the tubes that are used to produce the glow. In these tubes we just use the krypton noble gas. So this was all topic today we have. I hope you guys understand, and if you have any queries you may ask me about that in the comment section, and I will get back to you guys soon. The next topic that we will discuss, it is the introduction to transition elements detail. For that time you guys keep learning and have a good day.